Hello, space and science enthusiasts. Today we will embark on an exciting journey through the birth of astrophysics and the development of the theory of relativity. Starting in the mid-19th century, we will discover how we unraveled the secrets of the stars and developed the greatest theories of the origin of the universe. If you're ready, let's get started. The rise of astrophysics. In 1835, the French philosopher Auguste Comte thought that the composition of the stars could never be known. However, the birth of spectroscopy changed this view and laid the foundation for astrophysics. In 1802, the British physicist William Hyde Wollaston discovered black lines in the spectrum of the sun and thought they were color boundaries. In 1814, Joseph von Fraunhofer studied these lines in more detail and cataloged some 500 of them. Fraunhofer also saw these lines in the light of Venus and other stars. In 1849, French physicist Jean Foucault studied the spectral lines of light emitted by gases, and in 1859, Robert Wilhelm Bunsen and Gustav Kirchhoff were able to correlate these lines with elements. Thus, it was understood that elements such as iron, calcium, and magnesium were present in the sun. In 1868, British astronomer Joseph Norman Lockyer discovered helium in the sun. In 1860, the British astronomer William Huggins studied the spectra of nebulae and divided them into two main groups, gas and stars. The spectroscopic studies conducted at the Harvard University Observatory, under the leadership of Charles Pickering, included the Henry Draper Catalog and the spectra of 225,000 stars. During this period, the American astronomer Annie Jump Cannon developed the star classification method that is still used today. In the middle of the century, Austrian physicist Christian Doppler introduced the Doppler effect, which describes the frequency variations of moving light sources. In 1868, Huggins discovered deviations in the spectrum of the star Sirius. In the 1880s, Julius Scheiner began measuring the radial velocities of stars using photographic spectra. In 1913, the American astronomer Henry Norris Russell and the Dane Eidnar Hertzsprung developed the Hertzsprung-Russell or HR diagram, which shows the relationship between the luminosity of stars and their spectrum type. The HR diagram has become an essential tool in understanding the evolution of stars. One of the most significant scientific developments of the century was Albert Einstein's theory of relativity. Einstein began to develop his theory during his high school years by conducting thought experiments on light. In 1905, he published his special theory of relativity. This theory suggested that time and lengths change according to moving observers, while the speed of light remains constant. Einstein developed the general theory of relativity in 1915. This theory suggested that massive objects bend spacetime and that light bends due to this bending. In 1919, British astronomer Arthur Eddington confirmed this theory with observations made during a solar eclipse. In the early 20th century, most astronomers believed that the Milky Way was the whole universe. However, the American astronomer Vesto M. Slipher discovered that the universe was expanding by measuring the radial velocities of spiral nebulae. In 1924, Carl Lundmark studied the speed and distance of spiral nebulae. Between 1922 and 1924, Russian mathematician Alexander Friedmann introduced non-static cosmological solutions to Einstein's equations. These solutions suggested that the universe could expand and contract. In 1929, Edwin Hubble observed that galaxies were moving away from us and that the universe was indeed expanding. Today, astrophysics and relativity theory play a critical role in our understanding of the universe. These exciting scientific discoveries bring us one step closer to unlocking the secrets of the universe. Thank you for taking this fascinating scientific journey with us. If you want to see more content about science and space, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. If you liked it, share our video and share your comments with us. See you in the next video. Bye.